This is the season pack from the Red Lobster mix.
Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are...
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making, it's called an easy chicken cobbler, and I'm making, actually, it calls for a 9x13 pan, but I'm going to half mine up, and I'm going to give my neighbor half of it because me and Calvin can't eat that much, and they're not feeling well, and so I think they will really enjoy this easy chicken cobbler. And the reason it's called a cobbler is because it's layered like a cobbler, but it's layered with meat and vegetables, and then it also has an easy crust that I'm going to be making with this Red Lobster package right here. And so what the ingredients are is about, let's see, I think it's about 4 cups of chicken. And then I'm going to be using these frozen vegetables here. And then I'm going to be using garlic powder and onion powder and a little minced onion and black pepper. And then I'm going to be using cream of, this right here is chicken broth, and then cream of chicken soup. And then this right here will make the top of it. And so let me get started on my easy recipe. Okay. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of butter in my pan. Let's smear this on a little bit. And like I said when I was doing the introduction, you can make this in a 9x13, but I am going to give this to my neighbor, some of it. Okay, let's see. We'll put this, spray this chicken on next. And I do have washed hands. And this right here is, let me look at my recipe. It's 4 cups of shredded chicken. And I cooked my chicken for about 15 minutes already. That's a little bit of skin I'm not going to put in there. You can also add corn in this if you want to, or you can add a little onion, but since I'm making this for someone that's a little bit elderly, I'm not putting that in it today. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I think I'm going to wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to move this to the side so I have more room. So now then I'm going to put these peas and carrots next. One of my subscribers sent me this little dish right here that has the cow on it. And I noticed another YouTuber has one of these also. Okay. Let's see if I can just kind of shake this on. The recipe says for a teaspoon of garlic powder and let's see, a teaspoon of onion powder, but I'm just going to shake mine on to how much I think I want in it. Okay. Now I'm going to put on some onion powder. Okay, and a little minced onion. Okay, let's see. Now then I'm going to sprinkle a little black pepper, not too much for this one. All right, and this recipe will be in the description below. Okay, let's set these to the side. So now then I'm going to move this over here and move this up a little bit. And put my bowl over here. Let me get it in my camera view. I think I'll move this back over here. Okay, so now then I'm going to put in my, I think I'll put in my cream of chicken first. Let me get my fork right here. Okay. So I'm going to pour a little of this in here so that I can get all of this out. Okay. So now then I'm going to mix this up. All right, I think I just about got this mixed up now. So I'll put that right there and let's see. I think I'm going to get this cut right here and just spread it on like this. got that poured out now. I'm going to get my spatula. And I'll put this back here. And I'm going to kind of spread this evenly out a little bit. Okay. All right, I got that. I think they're more even. Okay, so I think I'm going to move it this way right now. And then put my other bowl over here. And put in my Red Lobster. It's called Cheddar Bay Biscuit Mix. So I'm going to dump this in. All right. And then I'm going to put in my 2 cups of milk. I'm going to give this a good stir. Okay. All right. So now then I'm going to put in my 1/2 cup of cheese and give this a good stir. Okay. So now then I'm going to layer this on top of the rest of my vegetables. I don't think I'm going to be able to get this in the picture. Trying to get both of them. Okay, I have another camera over here and I have to keep it lined up so that it'll be in the picture. So there's a lot to remember sometimes when you're filming. And then when you're doing your recipe, you've got to remember all of the ingredients and everything. So it's a lot to keep up with. It's not as easy as people think. Okay. Sorry about that racket. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 50 minutes, but I will be keeping an eye on my oven because sometimes it cooks fast and sometimes it cooks slow. Okay, so when this is through, I'll be back. Okay, my chicken cobbler just came out of the oven and it cooked for 50 minutes. So now I'm going to put the rest of the recipe on it. Put 2 tablespoons of butter in here. And the seasoned packet from the biscuit mix. Okay, so, oops, touched that and that didn't feel that great. Okay, so now I'm going to stir this up. Okay, so I'm going to brush this on top of it. This is the seasoned pack from the Red Lobster mix. Okay. Okay, so now then let me get a little dish and I'll do the taste test. Alright, this is the casserole that I prepared for me and Calvin, and then this is the one I'm going to take to my neighbor. So it's very hot because it just came out of the oven. Whoops. I'm glad I had my apron on. It's very tasty. But it's really delicious. I can taste the garlic powder in it and all the seasoning, and it is delicious. So I think my neighbor will really enjoy this. So I'm going to get it wrapped up and go over there and take it to them and let them have a nice dinner meal tonight. So do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video.
Just really doing nothing, that's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along, being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness, I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven, I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated.